One of the services that they do offer here at New Dimension is their treatment for hand-knotted area rugs, which is an industry leader, if you ask me. Literally, you could drop wine on a rug and it will blot on the surface of the rug, and you can just simply wipe it right out without it soaking into the fibers. My name is Nate Lefebvre. I currently work as an account manager at Stark in Boston. We provide designers with high-end, ultra-premium area rugs and carpeting. Today I had the opportunity of actually seeing Tony's facility and seeing how the process is. People are nervous about certain types of area rug fibers, maybe Tencel, viscose, even silk. And you don't even have to worry about those kind of things when you bring your rug to New Dimension, because Tony's expertise, he is able to clean these delicate fibers. This warehouse that he has here in Attleboro, it's state-of-the-art. It's bigger than anybody else's facilities here in New England. One of the things that I think the clients really like about New Dimension is that he will actually go into the clients' homes, then grab the rugs that have been soiled, bring them here to the facilities to have them cleaned, and then bring them back and spread them inside the clients' homes. I really enjoy working with New Dimension and the owner, Tony.